Yamaha prepares to revive the icon, new TW200 in the works. Few motorcycles have carved out a cult following quite like the Yamaha TW200. With its fat tires, rugged styling, and easygoing nature, the TW200 has become a beloved tool for both beginner riders and seasoned adventurers alike. First launched in 1987, the TW200 stood out immediately, not with speed or size, but with its versatility. It could go almost anywhere: dirt trails, city streets, beach sand, or rocky paths. For decades, the TW200 barely changed. Its air-cooled 196 cubic centimeters engine, chunky tires, and old-school charm remained its signature. Riders fell in love with its simplicity, reliability, and how approachable it felt. It became the do-it-all bike that didn't try to impress with horsepower, but with heart. Whether for weekend trail rides or daily commutes, the TW200 has consistently delivered a fun, dependable ride with minimal fuss. Despite technological advances across the industry, Yamaha chose to keep the TW200 mostly unchanged, a bold move that kept its soul intact and fans loyal. Now, nearly 40 years since its debut, Yamaha is reportedly preparing to breathe new life into the TW200. According to insiders, a refreshed version of the legendary dual-sport is in development, and fans are eager to see how Yamaha will balance modern updates with the TW's timeless spirit. While no official launch date has been confirmed, early whispers suggest subtle performance improvements, upgraded suspension, and perhaps fuel injection, while keeping the iconic fat tires and minimalist look. Yamaha is expected to retain the 196 cubic centimeters engine platform but may tune it for improved efficiency and smoother power delivery. In a world of high-powered adventure bikes and complex electronics, the TW200's charm lies in its simplicity. Yamaha knows that, and the challenge will be updating the bike without losing what made it special in the first place. If done right, the new TW200 could reignite the same love for go-anywhere freedom, making it the perfect machine for a new generation of riders who crave exploration without complication. As Yamaha gears up for what could be the TW200's most significant refresh in decades, all eyes are on what's next for this beloved underdog. For more information, stay tuned for the latest news, only on Moto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can build this channel together. Thank you, see you later.